Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to access the HTML of an email sent from Hubspot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log into your Hubspot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main Hubspot dashboard where you can access all of your marketing tools and resources. After you've successfully logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical navigation menu with several options listed there. From this menu, click on Marketing. This will expand to show you additional options related to your marketing activities. From the expanded menu, click on Emails. This section is where all of your email campaigns and drafts are stored, making it easy to manage and review your email marketing efforts. Now you'll see a list of all your emails displayed on the screen. These could be drafts, sent emails, or scheduled campaigns. Locate the specific email whose HTML you want to access and hover your mouse over it. When you do this, you'll notice that additional options appear. Look for a button labeled Actions and click on it. This button gives you access to various actions you can perform on that particular email. From the Actions menu that appears, you'll see several options for managing your email. Click on View Email. This option allows you to see exactly how your email appears to recipients, displaying the full rendered version of your email content in a new window or tab. Once the email opens in the viewing mode, you'll need to access the underlying HTML code. To do this, right-click anywhere on the email content. This will bring up a context menu with several browser options. From this menu, look for and click on View Page Source. This option is available in most modern browsers, and it's specifically designed to show you the raw HTML code behind any web page or email. After clicking View Page Source, a new tab or window will open displaying the complete HTML structure of your email. This is the actual code that powers your email's layout, styling, and content. You can now review, copy, or analyze this HTML code as needed for your purposes, whether that's troubleshooting formatting issues, reusing code elements, or understanding how your email is structured. And that's it. You've successfully accessed the HTML of your email sent from HubSpot. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.